Hi, welcome to Adventure RV Group here in Napa. Today I want to talk about the 2021 Wildcatt Maxx 247RKX. It's a great floor plan because they shorten it up a little bit. It's only about 30 feet 8 inches long, and it's only about 6,900 pounds. They pack in a lot of build construction features. Right here we walk up to your slam latch door, built-in insulation with a huge pass-through storage. They've got a place to store all of your leveling crank handles, override handles, and 2 lights in the baggage area. Normally you only get one, if you're that lucky. Right above me is our halfway extended awning. It's about 20 feet long and it'll open up to about 8 feet. So it's a really large area to hang out and party under. You've got your LED strip of lighting, your outdoor speakers for the entertainment center, and your plug-in for an outside TV or those chili pepper hanging lights. Outside you also have your outdoor kitchen. This is a really well done feature, mainly because after you use it, you can throw this grill into the dishwasher. Very nice and convenient and easy to store away. These latches or these baggage doors are held up with magnetic latches. And down below here you have 2 larger size tires. These are 15-inch radial Rainier tires, and they are going to keep you more stable on the road and in a high wind situation keep you riding smoothly. Back here we have your level step, your solid step. It is very easy to put up and down with almost just one hand. It's very sturdy for when you're packing in your supplies. It's also pretty handy when the dog wants to go up inside. Another one of my favorite features, because we always have a problem with skunks in our trash cans when we leave them out. This can be an inside or outside trash can, residential size, and you can lock it away so that the creatures don't get into it. On the back here, you do still get the built-on ladder. So many of our competitors are removing this. This is so important to do your regular roof maintenance, all your caulking and everything up there. So this is definitely a big perk to still have built on. And you've got your pre-wiring for a backup camera so that you don't hit anything when you're backing up. Also on the back end, which I think is a great spot for an outside shower because it's going to keep where you're rinsing off hot and cold water. So in case you get muddy boots, you can keep them clean and away from the whole area where you'll be partying and hanging out. Come on inside. Very nice, solid, big handle as you enter in. And the first feature that stands out to me is this huge countertop. Not only do you have a lot of workspace, but when you're actually using it, you get one solid open sink. You can actually put a pot and pan in. This is going to give you access to the trash bin inside for when you're chopping. This is all one-piece material. If water gets to it, it's not going to expand or ruin it at all. You simply just clean it off and put it back into place. The other thing that Wildcatt Maxx does so well is actually giving you real wood cabinetry. These are hidden hinges. They're actually a lot more durable than the traditional style, and a ton of storage. Down here, they give you both up and bottom areas, top and bottom areas for storage. Now, Wildcatt Maxx gives you a lot of bang for your buck. You do have a bow floor. It's actually tougher. It can be cleaned with really any cleaning material that you want, and it really does stay strong. It is slip resistant, it is stain resistant, it is cold crack resistant, and resistant to mold and mildew, as the sign says. The other thing I really like about this unit is that you do get the large size oven. This is actually worthy of a Dutch oven, a pie, whatever you could imagine cooking dinner in. The way they've done this industrial style range stove actually always gets me pretty excited. It's very nice to cook on. glass covering, just in case you need more counter space than they already provide, you have that there. Over here you get the 8 cubic foot refrigerator. You can never have enough refrigerator space. It is a gas or electric refrigerator. That's going to be great for if you want to stay off grid for a little bit longer. Little extra pantry space, because all that storage, I promise you, you will definitely fill it up. These theater seats are quite nice. You will get the foot coming out, and it does recline for you. Very nice upholstery, easy to keep clean. And my other favorite spot, I have been stuck many rainy days in these things. So if you need to take some dollar bills while you're playing gin rummy, you can do that here. Down below us here, we do have the Fireplace. It's an electric heater. It also will put out just ambience. If you don't want the heat, it's actually 3 different colors, yellow, red, and blue. And of course, entertainment is always important. This will connect to your phone. It'll connect via Bluetooth. It'll play CDs, DVDs, and the radio. Over here you have your giant flat screen. Whether you're watching movies with the kids or you've got the next best sporting event on, you can swivel this. My fiance's favorite is he could turn it so you could peek at it out there while you're enjoying the outdoors. They've done some really cool new lighting just for pizzazz, really. And it does get dark out in the wilderness, so they give you LED lights all over the place. Down here, you have a very spacious bathroom. These showers are very roomy. They also do a really good job with keeping the water where water belongs. Oh, Wildcatt Maxx doesn't forget to give you the porcelain toilets. A little bit easier to keep clean. You don't have to worry about using too harsh of chemicals, and we do want harsh chemicals in there. And again, with the storage, they're so good at giving you places to put things. And come on back here to the bedroom. A nice little hallway. This is a very residential feeling trailer. They've done a queen size bed. So many of these trailers will give you a short queen. They do not shorten out on here. It is a 60 by 80 inch bed. They also have eliminated those really long and almost useless little dressers on the side to make sure that you have room for a CPAP machine, your water bottle, your favorite book you're reading, whatever it is. And they all have 110 volt USB, 110 volt. You've got room for everything. My other favorite feature in here is the closet. The closet is going to give you added storage for all your clothes, your socks, everything you can imagine in there. Definitely one of my favorite features. And don't forget, all of the Wildcats are pre-wired for an extra air conditioner. So if you do want to hit out Arizona, you want to go to those hot sides of the country, you can already install an air conditioner.